Alright guys, I'm at a really awesome ReStore here, and they've got some fans. Panamas, I might get one. This is a craft-made generic builder fan. Those industrials are not for sale. They have, that looks like a Hunter. This Centerville box has a generic fan in it. There's a fan over here. That's not for sale, but that has a Fasco in it. There's a generic craft made. And then in the showroom, there's a bunch more. So this is a generic Hunter, little Minka, Harbor Breeze, and a modern looking one. That looks like just a generic thing. Tons of fans here. I like it. Down this way, there's some boxes up there. 20 bucks each. I like that Casablanca box. Oh, these Casablanca blades. Didn't see these before. Do these have prices? That's cool. The Casablanca blades. This is just the mounting of something. There's another Centerville box. Oh, there's a Hampton Bay, maybe. There's a Centerville box out there. That Hunter box you saw has a nice old Blasco in it. I saw this CEC fan. I might get that. And that Westinghouse swirl. That's just a generic fan. That's a Fasco, that's an Ugly. And there you go. You have seen the fans here. I'm going to decide on what I want to get, and I will see you guys in a little bit. There's also this nice Hunter, but yeah, little too much for me. 65 bucks. It's nice, but it's still a little much for one of those.
Then I'll go over there now.
Alright guys, so I ended up getting this little Fasco Thomas thing just because it was only 15 bucks and it's in really good shape other than the dust. So that's the fan I picked out. I was going to get the CEC also, but I didn't really want to spend. I wanted one that was together minus like one part. So that's why I got that one, since the only thing it's missing is a mounting bracket. But yeah, people in there are very nice. This is the Northwest one in Harbor Springs.